Hi guys, our Duracraft Pedestal fan has died. Well, taking it apart to have a look at it, the fan blades have completely disintegrated. Now I thought they'd sort of come out of alignment or something and hit the frame, but I don't think that's the case. I think they've just gone so brittle that they've basically fallen apart under load when they were full speed. And I thought that was it. I didn't think we'd be able to get a replacement because this is 1997, the date stamp on the bottom of it. But I've had a look on eBay, and replacement universal fan blades are available. So being me, I've ordered the cheapest one I could find. They all look the same, they're just different prices. From China, of course. £7.58 or something, the one I've ordered. They sort of range from about £8 to about £18. So I thought I'd risk it. I've ordered one. Oh, those blades are falling apart as I'm holding them. But yeah, they've really done a good job. Completely disintegrated. So in a few weeks' time, I will continue this video and we'll see if we can fit the replacement when it arrives. This just unscrews, that pulls off. It's a D-shaped shaft to align it. So if we're lucky, it'll be a straight push it on, tighten it up, job done. If we're unlucky, we might have to adjust it a bit to get it to fit in place. Hi guys, postman's just been. This has got to be my replacement fan blade for this fella. Feels a bit soft and flexible. Okay. Double wrapped. Right, there we are. That's going to go in there. Right, got it. Okay. Oh. Reverse thread. Right. Okay, that one doesn't have a D shape in it. So there's nothing to stop it spinning. I have to put a little peg in there. Let's move the camera so you can see what I'm talking about. The shaft is a D shape, in other words, it's got a flat side on it. This does not have a corresponding flat plate, it's a straight hole. So I'll have to rig something up just to fill the gap to hold it still. Other than that, I think we're going to work. Well, just doing it up tight seems to have done the job. Seems to have gripped it. Because we'll find out whether it's out of balance. Well, it's certainly blowing the wind. I'm not sure if it's perfectly balanced, but it seems to be all right, and it seems to be gripping okay, just doing it up really tight. So I think I'll leave it like that. So I could be clever and rig up some sort of shim to go in there to hold it, but that looks like that's going to hold it okay. I'll edit that a bit. Getting the rim round the edge took me a bit of time just to get it aligned right. I got it on, then realised I hadn't got the Duracraft level. In fact, I'm looking at it now, I'm not sure it's level now. Good enough. It works again, cheaper than buying a new one. I did a bit of extra work. The pillar, post, whatever you want to call it, has a join in the middle of it that over the years the grip of it has come loose, so if you lift it up the bottom falls off. So I've just drilled through and put a couple of self-tapping screws straight in, so now we can lift it up without it falling apart. Just here, because otherwise you'd lift it up and the base would stay on the ground and you'd be holding the top of it. Yeah. Well, I'm pleased to get that working again, because we're now June the 9th and it's raining hard, or at least it was. At this moment in time, the sun's come out again, but it's rain is forecast. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. and somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.